Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we've come to Aphrodite's Rock, all the way out in Kuklia, which is about 15 kilometers outside of Paphos, halfway between Paphos and Psori on the main drag out to Limassol. Now, we're going to take you and show you a beautiful view. We're going to show you a beautiful rock, but before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. We're going to take you on a little pathway to the side of the kiosk, and it sinks and wiggles and it waggles down to the beach. In fact, there's even a sign that tells you, there it is, safe access to the beach. So we're going to follow the rear end of Gracivia Labouf, there she goes, and we're going to wiggle and we're going to waggle under the main road, if you understand me. So we're going to go down these steps and we're going to follow that rear end. She's off like the clappers.
Wow, how nice.
It is quite nice actually when you look up. So that's where we come from at the top at the kiosk, and you come down these steps and you wiggle and you waggle. There's the rear end of Gracivia Labouf.
It's not.
And now we're going to go actually under the road. So stick with us.
Wow.
So this is the road itself now that we're going to go under. We're going to follow that rear end of Gracivia Labouf.
You see it? Ah.
Quite a nice view indeed. Have a look at that.
I only hope none of the snakes will fall down on my head. My God.
So this is the sunken pathway to paradise. This is what women from Russia dream of, because they have a belief that if they swim around the Aphrodite's Rock 3 times, they will go home to Mother Russia pregnant. Mr. Paul's got another idea about it, and I'm pretty sure watching Gracivia Labouf will explain that to you in a moment. But have a look at that. What a truly, truly exceptional view that it is. That is the blue, blue Mediterranean Sea, and it's simply waiting for you. A truly spectacular place to come. So if you're coming down to Paphos, please find the time. Whether you come by taxi, whether you come by bus, there is a bus service to come here. Whether you borrow someone's car, steal someone's car, or whether you happen to own a car, this is the place to come. And you can spend a whole day out here lapping up those views, lapping up the sunshine, and of course you can actually go and climb Aphrodite's Rock, which is that big boy just over there. Gracivia?
Do you think we can climb it?
Probably not, but stick with us. We're going to show you some great views, and we're going to get to the other side of the rock and give you an even more spectacular view indeed, because it's a beautiful day. And we are, believe it or not, in the middle of October, and the sun is kissing the island of love, which of course is Cyprus. We are at Aphrodite's Rock, just outside of Paphos, halfway between Paphos and Psori, on our way to Limassol, which is that away. Wait for this view. It's going to take your breath away. Just look at that. It doesn't get much better than that. Well, actually it does. Watching Gracivia Labouf.
Probably all these women want to get pregnant, to become pregnant, the women, but they are swimming at the moment, not nearby the rock. But I'm afraid they've got the men next to them. What does it mean? How do they become pregnant then? You understand? Where is my...
I think I'll stop it there right now, because this is a family channel. There is a Russian proverb, as I was telling you, coming through the archway, which Krasivia Lebouf, that's her over there, told me about. And Russians believe that if they come to Cyprus and they swim around that rock, which is that big one there, 3 times, they will end up pregnant, go back to Mother Russia and produce a beautiful, beautiful baby. But Mr. Paul has a totally different theory. He believes they go for a little swim around and there are men scattered around waiting for them. Well, I think you understand where I'm going, so we'll stop it right there. We're going to walk just over there and we're going to show you a view back to Paphos, which is going to take your breath away. It's a great, great beach. And even in the middle of October, as you can see, people come down and they lounge and they lap up the sunshine and the truly, truly spectacular views. Let's show you that view one more time. Have a look at that. A lot of people enjoying that beautiful sunshine today. That is for sure. Absolutely spectacular. So stick with us as we get to the other side of the rock and we can show you that great, great view back out towards Paphos. Very, very special place indeed to come. It goes back in history thousands of years. Aphrodite's rock, the birthplace of Aphrodite. I'm not going to go into all the history of it. I haven't studied it, and of course, I'm not that intelligent. But we are going to follow the rear end of Krasivia Lebouf as she takes us to that beach. Have a look at that. I can tell she's thinking about climbing the rock.
I can.
I can.
Of course I do.
Off you go then. And I'll follow your rear end. It will be an absolutely spectacular view, that's for sure. Get your hats on your head. We're going to follow the rear end of Ochin, Krasivia Lebouf. Here we go.
What about the snakes?
Here we
go. What about the snakes?
Never mind about the snakes. Keep going. We'll watch the rear end and we'll look out for the snakes as well. So if you're coming down to Paphos,
you know that they are very sleepy.
This could be the place for you to come. And you get to climb the wonderful Aphrodite's rock. That's it. Short the rear end out.
Do you know that these rocks are very sleepy? Ooh.
Think about the cameraman, Krasivia Lebouf. Keep going.
Ooh. But they are sleepy. I don't know why. Oh. I think this will do. We can go further down, but further up.
Keep going, Krasivia Lebouf.
Okay.
It doesn't get much better than that.
Oh dear, I'm thinking how we're gonna go down. But we haven't been up yet. Ooh. Wow.
Keep going.
More? Oh dear, I'm getting old. We've done it. Mr. Paul, what a beautiful thing. Huh? Could you see it? Oh, my goodness. I can't believe there is such a beauty. You have to make a pictures of me.
It doesn't get any better than this. So if you come down to Aphrodite Rock, don't forget to transverse it, get up here, because the view is quite simply to die for. Here it comes. That's the bridge there on the Limassol bypass in the distance. Have a look at that. Who needs a drone when you've got Ochingwesivi Alabouf and her, well, quite athletic cameraman who's prepared to force her to go up, because I understood that I had to follow her. She's got one of the greatest rear ends in the world, and we're giving you one of the greatest views in the world. Please, please share it with your friends, with your family, and tell them that that is a view to die for. Ochingwesivi Alabouf, I think it could be that time.
Well, I'm really amazed from what I've seen around me. Looks like you know, you not only go back to the beauty, to the nature, which has been going for thousands and thousands years, but you go into the pre last century. You feel like whole world was presented just to you, and I would like you to feel like whole world been presented just to you. I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. We are so humbled that we got you, and whatever we do, we will be doing just for you. We are loving you to bits, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many thanks again and again, and bye-bye.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. If you'd like to help the channel grow, please consider clicking through to our About page, where you can consider buying me or her or both of us a coffee, and you can also thank us with the super thanks button and make a very small donation to the channel. I'm going to leave you with that view again, because it truly is absolutely breathtakingly spectacular, and it's a view quite simply worth dying for. Thanks for watching. That's Ochingwesivi Alabouf lapping up that sunshine. Thanks for watching.